For great wine at a great price, look for the Chairman's Selection Seal at Fine Wine and Good Spirits. Start thinking spring and let vegetables shine at mealtime. Serve sautéed fennel and sweet onions as a side dish. Or make a mixed green sauté with spinach, collards, and kale. A squeeze of lemon and a handful of toasted pine nuts. Another healthy idea from Giant. Pick 6 makes more millionaires than any other New Jersey lottery game. And right now, the jackpot is estimated at $13.4 million. Play Pick 6 from the New Jersey Lottery. Go ahead, give your dreams a chance. Underdog Entertainment presents Saturday, April 26th, Go Getters Launch Party, Mezzanine Super Club, 17 East Price Street. You can win $500 from Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Grab the Reese's coupon page from Sunday's Enquirer, and on Monday, we'll ask a question about it. The 9th caller with the right answer wins $500 from Reese's. Official rules at power99.com. Reese's. Perfect. Party with Q102 and Grammy Award winner Fat Man Scoop live at the Coastline Night, Saturday, April 26th. Choose Nissan, now bonus cash. Shop ChooseNissan.com today. Philadelphia Sports Clubs is giving away a free 1-week membership to anyone who wants to look and feel their best for the warm weather that lies ahead. Visit at any Philadelphia Sports Clubs and work out free for 1 week. Are you, a friend, or family member living in the tri-state area in need of help with daily activities, medication reminders, escort service to doctor appointments, and light housework? Then call Home Health Care Plus at 215-474-2273.